If countries, communities, and individuals truly work together across borders, I imagine a world where refugees wouldn't need camps and conflicts would be resolved in a collective peace effort. Resources would be shared equitably, ensuring no child starves while others waste. And borders would connect rather than divide.
Poverty, conflict, unfair treatment is all about the result of deficiency in solidarity. That is the role of solidarity, to bring people together as one body in order to fight for their common goal.
Education in Dzaleka has become a bridge to connection in a place where many nationalities live together. Students from Rwanda, Congo, Burundi, Somalia, Ethiopia, each carrying a story of loss and hope. Learning together has taught me that while we speak different languages and come from different conflicts, we also share some dreams, which is for peace and better future.
Yeah, when we say we are the future generation, in fact, it is the present generation, because the action done in this present generation will reflect the tomorrow. So when young people are targeted like the one to promote the solidarity, it is not exclusive to them, because effective solidarity does not rely on generational gap. Whenever there are generational gap, there is no, that mutuality. People cannot come together as one body. But when adults come in, young people come in, children alike, they are going to implement the real solidarity that does not look at who you are, how old are you, blah, blah, blah.
When we unite all across our differences, we achieve what none could alone.
Without solidarity, we will never make it. Without solidarity, I cannot make it. So let us come together and join hands and fight for what we are aiming for.
My message to the world is simple. Solidarity isn't charity. Poverty thrives on division and inequalities. When we share our dreams, our skills, our resources and opportunities, we become unstoppable. Every child we educate, every dream we share, and every barrier we break through proves that change doesn't require for a permission or a formal employer. It requires us choosing each other.